friends, welcome to watch our live show. This is Lisa from ADTO Wood. We are professional manufacturer of plywood products. We ADTO group is focusing on one-stop solution for all your construction material requirements, while our ADTO Wood aims to provide you all series of timber formwork requirements to meet all your requirements. Our factory was established in year 1993. Our factory now covered an area of 240,000 square meters with a daily output of 30,000 pieces of plywood. Now our factory owns more than 600 employees, which include 500 factory workers and 35 professional technicians, more than 100 sales teams and operational teams. Now our factory also owns 200 advanced equipments with yearly of continuous development. Our products are widely exported and also used in our domestic market. Our products are mostly exported to Southeast Asia, Africa, Middle East, Europe, Latin America, and Australia and New Zealand, and so on. Actually, our factory now got approved certificates from ISO 901, ISO 1401, and also FSC certificates. All our products got the third-party test report from SGS, PV, CNAS, and so on. Here, my friends, you can look at our exhibition center, exhibition booth. This is all our series of products. Okay, then plywood is a very popular and versatile wood-based panels nowadays. It is you can check. It is laminated products with which made up of numerous thin strips of wood. It is laid from different directions, from longitudinal and horizontal directions, and then bonded with different glues, and then hot pressed by hot pressed machine. By this kind of producing method, our plywood is not easy to got expansion and shrinkage. Structure projects like dams, tunnels, bridges, and used for formwork panels. Also, different kinds of civil construction and commercial buildings. Then our plywood can be divided into two types. Here it is outdoor plywood, and this side it is our indoor plywood. Outdoor plywood include concrete plywood, construction plywood, packaging plywood, anti-slipping plywood. Then indoor plywood include all series of commercial plywood, fencing plywood, and furniture plywood. Now let me introduce our first products. That is our film-faced plywood. Film-faced plywood, also named of concrete plywood, foam ply, or marine plywood. It is widely used in modern building projects, especially those need a lot of cement works. It is also regarded as one of the most important parts of different kinds of formwork systems. First, I would like to introduce you the cheapest products of our film-faced plywood. That is our finger joint plywood. You can have a look here. This is the joint type of our products. It is called finger joint. Finger joint plywood, it is the core material is recycled material or B-grade material. Because of its low cost, it is widely accepted by most of the construction sites in different countries. You see the two sides with black film. The films can be original black or printed with different logos. The logos can design according to customer requirement. Standard printed logo is Marine Plex. You can check here, it is Marine Plex. And also we have our own brand logo, that is ADTL Group. ADTL Group. And customer, if they have different logo requirement, you can send us your design, then we can make printing for you. The standard size of our film fixed plywood is 1220 by 2440 millimeter. That is 4 feet by 8 feet. And the thickness is normally 12 mm, 15 mm, and 18 mm. You can see our bulk production products here. This is our finger joint plywood. And the use time of this one is around 3 to 5 times. The density of this plywood is 530 kg per centimeter. Then the next one is our one-time pressed plywood. This one is made by the core material is made by fir poplar. Same with the standard size is the same as our finger joint, and the surface also black film. For film fixed plywood, we can make different quality requirement according to customer's construction site requirement or your project budget. So you can just tell us the use time you required and also your budget. Then we can make different productions according to your quality requirement. Okay, if customer require better quality, except this one-time pressed plywood, we can also make two-time pressed. Two-time pressed, we can make different films. Sometimes customer may require black film, and also we have brown film. Like this one, we have brown film, and also we have red film, like this. Red film also available. For two-time pressed plywood, we have different core material for your choice. Poplar is the most. We have also different quality grade. You can use 8 to 10 times or 10 to 15 times. This is depend on the core material. Depends on the quality grade of the core material. Besides that, we have also third-time pressed plywood. That is the best quality used for those high standard and have high requirement projects. You can check here. This is three-time press. The surface is brown film. It is imported from Finland. Full batch plywood. The film is imported from Finland. And the glue is phenolic glue. Phenolic glue, it can be boiled in water for more than 72 hours. And the use time for this one is more than 30 times. Okay, then someone may be asking, what is WBP? WBP, actually it is the short name of water boiled proof. So to examine whether your plywood is using a WBP glue, it is very easy. You can just put your plywood in boiling water for a long time. If in a period of time the plywood without any delamination, that means your plywood is using WBP glue. Normally WBP glue is what we are using, melamine glue or phenolic glue. Normal melamine glue which we use for our plywood the the waterproofing time in the boiling water will be 4 to 6 times, 6 to 8 times. If in a boiling water, it won't be delamination. And then better melanin glue, it can be in boiling water for 10 hours, sometimes can be 20 hours without any delaminations. Then for our set time press, just as I explained, it can be in boiling water for 72 hours without delaminations. And the use time for this one can be more than 30 times. So if customer have such kind of a high requirement, you can just inform us your details, then we will give you the most accurate price according to this. Okay, another one I want to introduce to you is our cylindrical plywood. This kind of plywood is widely used for the project with cycle columns. The standard diameter of this plywood is around we have 300 millimeter, 600 millimeter, 100 and 1,200 millimeter. And the height is depends to your column. The length is according to your column height. We can also make different sizes according to your column's requirement. This kind of plywood is widely used in those commercial buildings and also hospitals and those European style buildings.